Good afternoon, welcome to another Citroen video. This 2008 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso, and in this video we're going to be doing some MoT repairs. So it went through MoT and as usual it failed, and these two I've already sorted out. I've fitted brand new tyres, so that just leaves these two to deal with. So I've got replacement CV bolt and replacement caliper, so first thing I'll do is get that new caliper fitted. So with the wheel off, I couldn't see anything immediately obvious, but come round to the handbrake mechanism. There's a leak there, so yep, it's definitely going to need replacing. So I did that on a previous video. It's just disconnecting this cable and disconnecting that, and then just pulling the caliper off. So I think I'm going to need some have to do it the old fashioned way with some spanners. I don't think I'll get an even with small impact. So I'll get that done off camera. So that's the old caliper off, and here's my new one. Just open the box, and hopefully it's going to be the same part. Let's put them next to each other. Yep, and two look to be the same, so that's all good. So time to get this one fitted. Again, I'll do it off camera. So that's a new caliper all fitted and bled, and everything's buttoned up. So that's one fairly taken care of, just the CV boot. So I've just got the front wheel off, and it's obvious that the clip for the CV boot is missing, so I won't need to replace the boot, just put a new clip on and that's job sorted. So I've put a new clip on. I've tested it a few times, turned the steering lock to lock, and it's holding on, so we can call that good. So that's it for this particular video. So all done for the MoT repairs. I got back into the waste that hadn't been collected. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.